In this video, I'll show you how to ripple delete across your entire Adobe Premiere file. So if you're like many editors, what you do is go through the entire video and you make your cuts. And that creates a whole bunch of spaces in between your file. So what you're going to do is go to Sequence and then Close Gap. And just like that, it's going to close all of the gaps between the cuts that you have made. And from that point, if you need to insert anything, you could just use paste insert, or you can move your files around. If you have any other questions related to Adobe Premiere Pro, feel free to leave your question below or comment to let me know how this worked out for you. I also have a number of other Adobe Premiere Pro videos on my channel, so make sure to check those out. And that's it. This was a video on how to remove all the spaces, aka ripple delete, between all of the different cuts in your Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud file. Have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.